In this video, I will guide you on how to know if someone hid their Instagram story from you. First, launch open the Instagram app. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen. Here you want to type in the username of the person that you suspect has hidden their Instagram story from you. Now you want to check their highlight section. If they previously added the highlight and it's missing now after refreshing, then they might have deleted them or they might have hidden their stories from you. This is one way to know. Another way is use a secondary account. Log in from another Instagram account, search their profile, and see if their story appears there. You can do this if they have a public profile. If they don't, you can ask a mutual friend. Have them check the person's profile, compare what they see versus what you can see. If others can see the story but you cannot, it is likely that they have hidden their story from you. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.